Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 2 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 9 times 2 to the power x plus 4 is equal to 0. So let's begin. The first thing we'll do is to apply the product rule in reverse. So a to the power x plus y equals a to the power x times a to the power y. So 2 to the power 2x plus 1 becomes 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power 1, right? The next thing we'll do is to rewrite 2 to the power 2x. So we'll apply the power rule, which says if I have a number raised to the power and everything is also raised to the power again, you can multiply those two powers, right? In the same way, if I have a number raised to a product of two powers, I can write it as a power of a power. So 2 to the power 2x can be written as 2 to the power x all squared. So our equation is now 2 to the power 2x all 2 to the power x all squared minus 9 times 2 to the power x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we replace 2x as a variable. We have 2u squared minus 9u plus 4 equals 0. Then 2u minus 1 in one bracket, u minus 4 in another bracket, we factorize it. In the next step, we have u is either equal to 1 over 2 or 4, right? And now we can start solving for x. So replace u with 2 to the power x again. So I have 2 to the power x equals half, and half is the same as 2 to the power negative 1. So, and we know the bases are the same, you can equate the powers. So I can write that x equals negative 1. For the second solution, we have 2 to the power x equals 4. So 2 to the power x equals 2 squared. So x equals 2. So the answers are x equals negative 1 or 2. So that's how to solve a question like this. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye.